In this video, I would like to demonstrate how to determine intervals step by step. The first step is to identify the pitches. Please read the clefs and key signature carefully when you are taking these steps. For example, the interval I have here, the pitches are F sharp and E flat. Please note the top note is not an E natural. If you read the key signature carefully, we have an E flat here. The second step is to determine the size of the interval. What you need to do is to start counting from the bottom pitch and count the bottom pitch and move stepwise up until you reach the top note. So we have F sharp to E flat. When you count stepwise up, it will go F, G, A, B, C, D, E. This interval is a 7. Please note that when you count the size, you don't need to worry about the accidentals. That's why I simply count from F, G, A, B, C, D to E. And this is a 7. Next step is to determine the quality of the interval. The first step in this step is to determine the diatonic interval of a seventh. In this case, this will be a major seventh. Remember, second, third, sixth, and seventh, you have major intervals in the diatonic major scale. And for fourth and fifth, they are perfect intervals. So we're working on the seventh. So you need to determine the major seventh from the bottom note, which is F sharp. And this step, you need to think of the F sharp as the tonic of first scale degree and determine the seventh scale degree of the F sharp major. Since we have counted 7 steps above F, you should we know that the 7th scale degree should be something of E natural, E sharp, or E flat. In order to make sure which one is the right one, you need to refer to the major scale of F sharp major or the key signature of F sharp major. My question to you, what is the key signature of F sharp major? The answer? You have 6 sharps in the F sharp major. F sharp, C sharp, G sharp, D sharp, A sharp, and E sharp. Please note that E sharp is in the key signature. That means F sharp to E sharp is a major 7. Now, the next step is you need to compare your working interval with this major 7. So F sharp to E sharp is a major 7. The question is, what is F sharp and E flat? The question you need to ask is, if F sharp to E flat, our interval in question, is bigger than, smaller than, or equal to a major 7th. If you take a look at the diagram I have here, it is very obvious that F sharp to E flat is smaller than a major 7th. Therefore, F sharp to E flat is not a major 7th. But what is it? So, if an interval is a half step smaller than a major interval, it is a minor interval. And if an interval is half step smaller than a minor interval, it is a diminished interval. And therefore, F sharp to E flat is a diminished 7th.